Why is it so difficult to forgive others? Why should we even try? Unforgiveness slowly imprisons us, walls of anger growing darker, trapping us inside. But you have the key. There are places always open, people always ready to help you. Walk away from the darkness. Forgive those who have trespassed against you, as you yourself are forgiven. Remember, Jesus forgave those who treated him so brutally. His love gave us all the strength to forgive. Find that strength. Turn the key he has given you.